Hey guys, welcome to Wild Indian Rover. This is Deepak, and once again I have got you something venturous in this video. So hold your breath, sit tight and do not go anywhere. We are here in Antargange. For travel enthusiasts, Antargange is a famous destination for cave exploration. This is basically a mountain which has huge number of volcanic rocks. There are several caves which are formed out of these volcanic rocks, and this place amazingly offers you with series of activities. And if by any chance you are here, you will not want to return without exploring the caves. So, Antargange is located in Kolar district of Karnataka, India. The term Antargange means Ganges from deep, and the main attraction here is the temple of Kashi Vishveshwara, dedicated to Lord Shiva, which is also referred as Kashi of the South. So you can schedule your visit here in two ways. Either you can do it as a night trek and explore the cave in dark with the help of torch lights, or you can do it in the daytime like we did. In our case, we started for Antargange from Bangalore around 8 in the morning. The distance from Bangalore is around 65 kilometers and it took us 1.5 hours to reach, during which we also halted for breakfast. Since none of us knew the route, so we followed the route on the Google map. But it turned out that the maps took us in the wrong direction, and we ended up starting our trek from the end trail of the Antargange trek route. So now our target was to find the cave entry point, but somehow after trekking for a couple of kilometers, we missed it and reached the temple, which is the start point of this trek. But when we decided to climb back, the policeman at his duty stopped us from climbing. And according to their rule, nobody was allowed to climb after 10 in the morning. We requested him and explained him the situation, and it was then he left us to climb back. While on our way up, we found the viewpoint from where you can see the whole Kolar town, and just few meters ahead is the cave entry point. Now since these caves are pretty long and too deep in the rocks, we decided to take a guide. You'll always find few guides sitting around ready to take you inside the caves, and I will strongly recommend you to take the guide with you since they know the routes well. But still, if you want to explore yourself and if you have good knowledge and experience about the caves, then go ahead. But be very careful and try not to get lost, because if you do, then you have no chance of coming out from this maze. The cave is full of small and huge boulders, narrow passages. You will also have to jump between the boulders by avoiding the drop below your foot, crawl through narrow openings and many more. And all this you have to do in the dark. So be prepared with the torch lights before getting inside, else this is going to give you nightmare. The cave is pretty cramped and long, and if you are a person who typically develops claustrophobia, then this place is not for you. At several spots, you will need to crawl in narrow openings for few meters. The boulder's height varies from 6 feet to 16 feet, which you will have to climb up or down. Here, teamwork is of utmost importance along with the physical strength. I will add few tips here. Just make sure to have patience and be aware of every gaps you cross. While you are inside the caves, your clothes have no guarantee that it will remain as it is when you come out. It might get torn or it might get dirty depending on how you complete it. So do not wear any kind of fancy or expensive clothes. I will not recommend jeans and slippers. Wear something light and definitely put your shoes on. Also, watch out for the snakes and the other reptiles while you are inside the cave. So visit this place, explore the caves and add the unforgettable moment to your life that this cave will give you. That's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you do not litter the caves. Thank you.